Good morning, students. So, I am K. Lokesh, working as a lecturer in Satyam College of Education. So, today we will discuss about the semester 1 third paper ICT. Okay, ICT for enriching teaching and learning. This paper is the third paper in first semester. So, in this class we will discuss about the chapter wise analysis of third paper. So, in this paper there are totally 5 chapters are there. So, each and every chapter is very important because the question paper comprises all chapters. Okay. So, totally these 5 chapters are: Unit 1 is Information and Communication Technology, which is introduction about ICT. Okay, and the second chapter is ICT in education. Okay, how the techniques and the tools of ICT are implemented in education and the main utilization of ICT tools in education. All those things we will discuss in second chapter. Okay, and at the same time the third chapter is computer fundamentals and applications, and fourth chapter is ICT enriched learning experiences, and fifth chapter is application of computers in education. So these are the 5 units residing in ICT paper. So let us go to chapter wise description about these 5 chapters. So the first chapter is introduction about ICT. So ICT stands for Information and Communication Technology. So in this chapter 1 we have totally 5 sub chapters. Okay, these are education technology. Okay, introduction of education technology. What is mean by education technology? Technology of education and technology of education. So these are some of the points in this first unit. So what is meant by education technology? Concept, growth and objectives of education technology, and characteristics and advantages of education technology. So the main challenges of education technology and its impact on various fields. Okay, and information technology. What is meant by information technology? And knowledge explosion. Okay, preservation and retrieval. Okay, so regarding this we will discuss about various aspects. What is meant by information technology and what for this information technology is used in different fields of the society. Okay, and the main topic is communication. So here communication means generally communication has happened in classroom situations. So here the teacher is a main person who gives the knowledge to the children. Okay, that's why in communication there are mainly 2 persons are there: the receiver and the sender. Okay, here receiver is a student and the sender is a teacher. So in between there is a medium is there for transforming the information from sender to receiver. Okay, so mainly the concept of communication and elements of communication, process of communication and the barriers of communication, and here types of communication, teaching as a communication. Okay, and communication technology. So this is also a new platform about communication technology. Okay, in this concept we will discuss various aspects like for example programmed learning. Okay, linear programming, branching programming and mathematics programming. These are the different kinds of strategies of information technology. Okay, at the same time communication technology. Okay, and in the same first unit we will discuss about the instructional media and audio visual teaching aids, the purpose of using audio visual teaching aids in the classroom, okay, and the main concept and characterization of information technology and communication technology. So these are the few points we will discuss in chapter 1, okay. And now go to the second chapter, which is ICT in education, okay, how the techniques and tools of information technology or education technology is implemented in education, okay, in what way it is implemented in education, okay. So here knowledge acquisition and multi-sensory approach, classroom communication and communicative skills for teaching and instruction, okay. At the same time, the classroom communication skills for teachers and students, Flanders interaction analysis, okay. This is very important topic. It is otherwise called as FIAC, FIAC, Flanders interaction analysis category system అని అంటాం దీన్ని. సో కాబట్టి actually this is a simple concept generally using for analyzing the capacity of the person who is entering into teaching profession, which means here the trainee teachers are evaluated by this activity of entering the capacities of the student teachers by taking the mathematics table, okay. This topic is very easiest topic and a very important topic. Definitely it will comes to the examination purpose also for essay question, okay. And the individualized instruction, okay, here concept or principles and needs and techniques of individualized instruction, okay, and programmed learning. Already now I told you the programmed learning, okay, and the changing roles of the learner and the teacher in ICT integration and challenges, okay. So it is also a very small topic in this second unit. And now go to the third chapter, which is computer fundamentals and applications, okay. So already you have learned various aspects in computers. So in degree standard there is very large syllabus also is there in for BSc computer students, okay. So anyway, here also we will learn some computer applications which are basic information about computers, okay, types of computers, characteristics and features of computers, and mainly components of computers, which means the hardware and software devices, okay, memory and maintenance of the computer, generation of the computers. So these are the few topics in the initially stages we will discuss in third chapter. And operating system, here disk operating system, which is called as DOS, and Windows operating system and Macintosh and mobile apps for teaching, okay. These are all the some software techniques, how they are useful for teaching. It is also we will discuss in this chapter. And software for word processing, presentation and statistical and graphical, okay, and the multimedia and web page creator. So here we will discuss some MS Office packages like Excel, okay, and databases maintenance, MS Access, and the main internet supported topics like creation of email, net surfing, browsing, okay, and how to make the web pages, okay, netiquities, all those things we will discuss in this chapter. And concept applications and the challenges of computer networks, okay, and the internet and the digital space. This it is also is there in third chapter. And when we go to fourth chapter, which is ICT enriched learning experiences, okay. So this chapter reveals that by using the ICT resources, how can we improve the strategies of a teaching learning process, and how to improve the capacity of the children for learning various aspects in all subjects, okay. So application of ICT for enriching classroom experiences. Okay, whatever the ICT tools we are using in classroom situations, they are very helpful for improving the learning experiences of the students. Okay, application and use of multimedia educational software for classroom situations. Okay, and use of internet based media for teaching and learning, enrichment and acknowledgement. Okay, and project based learning using computers, internet and activities, and collaborative learning using group discussions, projects, fieldwork, blogs, etc. Okay, and the fifth chapter is the computer of application of computers in education. Okay, this is the fifth chapter, application of computers in education. So in this fifth chapter, computer as a learning tool, okay, and the concept of e-learning. Here we will introduce about the Web 2.0 technology. Okay, what is the main purpose of that Web 2.0 technology and virtual classroom technology? Okay, and characteristics of Web 2.0 technology, types and examples, and smart boards, using of smart boards in classrooms. Okay, and open educational resources. Okay, these are called as OER, open educational resources. Okay, concept and the significance of OER, and critical issues in internet usage. Okay, authenticity, addiction. Okay, and plagiarism, ethical and legal statements are main issues related to the data criming, okay, and data thefting. So these are the simple topics, how to use the data in computers, okay, not for thefting, in a respectable manner, how we have to maintain the data, okay, and also how the legal and ethical issues are followed by the person or user. All those things also we will discuss in fifth chapter. Okay, okay, it is the simple class for exploring the main contents or main topics in these 5 chapters. Okay, for better understanding, students, you have to follow this index paper or the brief discussion or brief description about chapter wise analysis. Regularly you go through this index paper and read well, and daily when you grasp that index paper, definitely you will get something, which information is residing in that chapter. Okay, what is the main purpose of that information, and finally you will get the entire knowledge in all chapters. The main topic is there in that chapter, and these main topics are there in that chapter. That's why when the university question paper, when you analyze that one, you will get an attentive knowledge. Okay, how the experts are asking in that area. Okay, and the main important questions are repeating in this chapter. So all these knowledge you will be definitely acquire by reading this index paper and the main contents which are involving in this chapter wise analysis. Okay, thank you students, thank you very much, and in the next class we will meet again with another topic. Okay, thank you very much.